What are you doing? Did you go potty? You brought some toilet paper out with you. Are you eating it? How's that toilet paper taste? How's that toilet paper taste? Yummy! What happened in here? Uh-huh. We've had our first toilet paper incident. Who did it? Who did it? Did you do it? To bonk your head on the toilet. Won't be the first. Won't be the last time. Might be the first time. What you think? Huh? Corbin? Well, did we learn a lesson? Do we play with toilet paper?